let me now show you how to use the different dust particles overlays included in this pack. So what we're gonna do, I've got this image open here, and what I want to do, that's a composite I created, and I want to add some kind of magic to this ball here. And to do that, I will add two kinds of particles, the normal dust, sorry, and then I will add some kind of magical dust. So I've imported this, okay, this one, and I've imported this one, okay. You could go file, place embed, okay. You will have then you just identify the flare that you want to add, okay, magic dust. And I added the PNG versions of this. And by the way, if you add the PNG versions of the dust, they will come directly with transparent backgrounds. But if you happen to add to use the JPEG versions, just do this, okay? File, place embed, and I will select any JPEG dust, place. It will come like this in with black background. So you just have to select the layer and just switch it to screen, and you will have it transparent, okay. We delete this, okay. And as I just said, I added the PNG versions. Okay, let's see how we can work with this. Let's put this out first. So I added this first layer here. Okay, let me do that. Okay, I added this layer, and what I want to do is to resize it. Command T, or you can go to edit to transform, okay. And then I want to resize it just like this to create that kind of sweet dusty thing, like this. I think it's okay. Okay, then I want to eliminate the big particles that's kind of distracting. To do that, I will go onto my layer and add a layer mask to it, then switch to the brush tool using a soft brush. Okay, make sure the hardness is 0, and then I will just reduce that and just paint that out, paint the bigger particles away. Okay, I just brushing on them just to remove them so that they don't distract too much from what we want to show. Just like this, just like this. I think this is pretty good. Okay, now I want to add some magical dust also to this. Here it is. I will resize that. Command T or Control T, and then just resize it and move it so that we give the impression that things are kind of going up here. We could also rotate it if we want, like this. And here we have a beautiful magical mole image.